Tax time for FY25 is here, and lots of us are pretty eager to lodge that tax return right after July 1st, hoping for a quick tax refund. But the ATO actually warns that those who lodge early in July are twice as likely to make mistakes. You can technically start lodging your tax return from 1st of July, but just because you can doesn't mean you should. In this video, we'll cover the best time to lodge your tax return, the reasons behind it, and what you should do to get ready. First, let's go over the key deadlines for individual tax returns. If you're lodging it yourself, the standard deadline is 31st of October 2025. If you're using a registered tax agent, you need to engage them by 31st of October. They often have access to extended lodgement deadlines, sometimes as late as May 2026, depending on your circumstances. Now let's talk about why lodging too early can be risky, and it all comes down to when your financial data becomes available. You see, the ATO relies on third parties like employers, banks, fund managers, and health insurers to report your financial information. Most of this data isn't finalized and sent to the ATO until mid to late July, and for investment income, sometimes even later. Therefore, generally speaking, if you want to rely on pre-filled data from various sources, the best time to lodge your tax return is from late July, or ideally from late August to early September if you are an investor. Jumping the gun in early July basically means you are flying blind on some of the info, and that can lead to common mistakes like forgetting income or missing deductions. Rushing just increases the chance of errors. And if you do make a mistake, you likely need to lodge amendment later to fix it. While the ATO lets you do this online, processing amendment can take around 20 days. So trying to get your refund faster by lodging early could actually slow things down. Plus, lodging amendment may slightly increase your audit risk, as it can prompt the ATO to take a closer look at your return. So what should you do in the meantime? You can log into My Tax to see when your income statement is marked as tax ready and what other information has been pre-filled. But instead of impatiently hitting refresh on My Tax in early July, a better use of that time is to get prepared. Use those first few weeks to gather everything. Find all your payment summaries, bank statements, and any receipts for deductions you plan to claim. Also, double-check that your details with the ATO are correct, including your contact information and, importantly, your bank account details. Check the ATO's occupation-specific guides to find the one that matches your job. It can give you a clear idea of the types of deductions people in your industry commonly claim. Get organized now so when the data is ready, you can lodge quickly and accurately. In most cases, the ATO processes refunds within 10 days of lodgement. However, do be aware that it could take longer. Good luck! Hope your tax time is quick, easy, and drama-free. Thanks for watching. Check out this video next to learn what's changing with superannuation after 1st of July. I'll see you over there.